In 1974, ABB introduced the world's first all-electric microprocessor-controlled industrial robot. During these last 40 years, the robotics industry has seen an amazing amount of innovation and incredible improvements. As our product offer has evolved and changed dramatically, the one thing has remained constant: the color of our robots. Back when we were introducing products that were previously unheard of, we felt the color orange was appropriate for safety. We wanted to help people remember that they were working with a powerful piece of equipment that was potentially dangerous. But time changed, and ABB has to change with them. We are now entering a new era of robotics, one in which collaboration between humans and robots is reality. Recent advances in software and hardware have enabled a new generation of robots that can safely work next to people. In the past, a bright color was needed to keep humans away, but this new era of robots should be more welcoming. At the same time, ABB has changed as a company. We are realizing our unique ability to deliver complete global solutions, and the ABB brand is stronger around the world. A new design language and color ensures our robots are easily identifiable as ABB products. Today we are launching a new look that is both more modern and better suits the era of collaboration. We call this new design language dynamic design, and it is built around the concept that ABB provides efficient solutions for a dynamic world. Not only does the new look adopt unique forms and shapes, it also comes with a new color, graphite white. The best example of this design change can be seen in our recently introduced IRB2600. From the curves on the face of the robot to the new colors, you can see the design language that all of our robots will adopt. The IRB2700 is leading the charge, but starting in May of 2014, all standard robots will ship in the new graphite white color. Traditional orange will remain a free option throughout the end of 2014, and you will still be able to order our robots in any color you want. I want to thank you for joining us on this journey over the past 40 years. With this fresh, new design language, we are preparing ourselves for another 40 years of incredible innovation and strong collaboration with our partners around the world.